Hello everyone, my name is Tony. I am a sales support engineer from CHUMPOWER. CHUMPOWER Machinery Corporation was founded in 1981. For the past 40 years, CHUMPOWER has become the largest leading brand in Taiwan, accounting for 85% of Taiwan's PET blow molding machinery exports. Over 4,000 PET blow molding machines from CHUMPOWER has been sold to more than 115 countries around the globe. Therefore, we have becoming one of the largest two-stage PET blow molding machines manufacturers in Asia-Pacific region. CHUMPOWER machinery help our customers achieving PET bottle production for every type of capacity, no matter what the product is: beverage, water, edible oil, daily use, or cosmetic. We can provide a comprehensive range of service such as injection and bottle molding manufacturing, stretch blow molding machinery sales, or turnkey solutions. For water and CSD, we have offered TS series model for lower production output, which is great for new market players who have just started entering the beverage industry. For customer who is looking for a higher output, we have linear machines that is perfect for a medium-sized bottle water production line. The market for the wide neck bottle applications is pretty good for CHUMPOWER. Many converters started to process this type of bottle for generic packaging or ketchup or salad dressing sectors. Many of our customers who are in bottled water industries also include family-size water, ranging from 6 liters to 5 gallons as part of their product portfolio. CHUMPOWER offers a great solution for these sectors too. For the cosmetic, daily use lotions, and specialty bottle, CHUMPOWER also offers 2 models of single-stage machines for these sectors. The main advantage for using this type of process is the ability to produce glass-like surface finishing for the bottle, therefore very suitable for premium product applications. Due to the effect of climate changes and global warming, many countries around the globe have launched environmental strategies such as ESG, carbon neutrality, and net zero emissions within many industries. Taiwan is no exception. The packaging industry has realized that the impact of environmental sustainability on future manufacturing practice and the advantage of energy savings when processing with rPET instead of virgin material, which translates to a competitive advantage in terms of creating the ESG sustainable value of low carbon productions. Therefore, CHUMPOWER released the latest machine, the SS10 rPET, for reaching that goal. The SS10 rPET blow molding machines has a hybrid hydraulic system with an optimized clamping mechanism to ensure energy efficiency. The plasticizing screw is specially designed, featuring CHUMPOWER patented barrier screw with venting capabilities, which can effectively lower the energy required for drying. In comparison with the two-stage stretch blow molding machines, the single-stage blow molding machines adopt 4-station design, where preforms are taken directly into blowing sections right after injection, therefore avoiding the reheating process. The non-contact feature of the preform throughout the entire bottle making process yields a glossy, scratch-free exterior of the final product. Therefore, the single-stage process is suitable for application that requires high bottle quality with a low production run. The SS10 rPET is therefore perfect for specialty bottle and daily use application targeted for circular economy packaging needs. CHUMPOWER makes all the mold in-house to fulfill every customer's requirements. Since every customer has different needs, therefore the ability to transfer 2D design into 3D model has become one of our core capabilities. Our mold making department has temperature-controlled machining center to ensure a stable machining environment during the productions. All bottle molds from CHUMPOWER are produced using high-quality aeronautical-grade alloys and are machined on high-precision 5-axis CNC machines. CHUMPOWER produces high-precision mold with our machines to ensure maximum compatibility and to avoid production loss due to any mismatch. From pre-sales planning, bottle design, machinery sales, turnkey solution, and after-sales service, CHUMPOWER is capable of providing a complete solutions for PET bottle packaging. Thank you so much for your time. If you'd like to know more about CHUMPOWER, please visit our website and contact us.